landed at the KTM airport, Tribhuvan International. There we go. Looks really cool. You see the Buddha statue there? Just to show you happy Monday. I'm at the tea coffee break place in Boudha. This is how it looks like, the crowd here all the time, you know. Taste the le. Taste the le jida. Taste the le. Happy Wednesday, everyone. October, I believe, 29. Tap show should give a Boudha quarter do there. What do say about the showing how? Oh yeah. Very nice weather. Now watch out this gasu. So very sugar nam tangsha. But I still don't know. What? So you see there. And nam this standard tangsha. Ciao. So just to show you happy Tuesday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. October 28th, 2025. I'm at the Ojo Ashram in Kathmandu. It's like 1.5 hours, probably 1 hour away from urban city, Boudha. On the hills side of Nagarjuna Hills. I think that's what it's called. And it's a beautiful, you know, green lush, and it's kind of a little bit raining here today. And I'm with my buddy, Mr. Gimere. He's over there. Yeah, he took me to this place just to explore. And you can see some statue here. You see there's Shiva statue. All right. So here is statement says, the disciple can never find a master. Only the master can find the disciple. The disciple has to go on seeking and seeking and seeking just in order to be available for the master, so that when the right master comes, he can choose you. This is what he says here. All right, and here's inside the Shiva, because I think the Rajneesh, he believes in Buddhism, and in particular Shiva, the philosophy kind of, you know, meshes with Rajneesh, you know, the way of thinking, you know, way of lifestyles. All right, so this is how it looks like. Very serene, green lush. See, there's all these forest trees are there. I'm going to take you on top a little bit. There's a meditation center. There's a cafeteria for the devotees, practitioners. Bread loaf, bread loaf, Tibetan bread, early morning.
Mornings were tasty, Zamling Jagab Nija Hakini, Sanje Chomde, the Tunsa Jagab Tina Kiba, Canada Miduda.
Yeah, oh, less.
起风。